Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. I've been asked to have a look at this Ferroli Bluehelix. It's only displaying number 25, like the temperature, 25 just displaying that. It's not doing anything apart from the pump running. Now they had a power surge a couple of days before, tripped a fuse box, and it's after that just been playing about. And all it's doing is just displaying number 25. It's not doing anything else. So we're going to diagnose this and we're going to repair this. I'm going to be sharing that with you in this video.
Yeah, it's going through. FH means purge process. It's going through. It's not going on. So we've got the demand of central heating. Let's see if it highs up on central heating. Demand's there. I think it's burnt the fan out.
Can you check it the fuse box because it's that time is
The thing working here is a pump. And that's stuck in 25 Celsius. So
Eventually I had to phone up the Ferroli technical and they helped me out with this boiler. So keep watching, we sorted it out at the end.
yes, it does. Yep, it's going to 10. I'm on 10 now. Yes. Okay, I got D1 now.
Yeah, right, so, right, okay. Have you got eco or comfort with screen?
Eco. Eco.
Try hot water.
Nope, nothing. No. So I just got D1 on it. At least the 25 is gone, 23 is gone.
Right, yeah, the D1, it just knows that you've had a tap turned off.
Okay. Shall I switch it off and switch it back on?
No, if you switch it back off and switch it back on
Oh
again.
yeah, go through the purge. Yeah, forget that.
That won't do anything.
I'm in the chimney sweep.
10 seconds. Yeah, let's see if it actually kicks in there.
Got 0 zeros.
Yeah.
And I've got the both of them, domestic hot water and the... No, it's going to 80 Celsius. The boiler's fired up.
So guys, thanks to Ferroli technical, we got the boiler to fire up and chimney sweep. So the central heating was working fine, but the hot water wasn't. But luckily I had the domestic hot water sensor in my car. I tested it out and thankfully the hot water started working fine too.
And that's basically it. Sorted that out. Let's change that. Yep, it's working now. Central heating is also working. Sorry guys, my YouTube video. Gonna look like an idiot, right? Right. Sorted the boiler out, it's all working fine now. Birmingham boiler fix. Guys, just sorted the boiler out for him and this gentleman just wants to give me a review.
Yeah, he came to here, he sorted the boiler, now the boiler is working, everything's fine. Thank you very much for you coming, I appreciate it for that. Cheers.
Thank you.